Gripo is a solid and flexible support pole that provides safety when standing up and moving around in the home. It can be easily installed in most ceilings. Gripo consists of 4 main parts: base plate, top plate, gas spring, Gripo pole with foot pedal. The base plate is the smallest plate and is placed on the floor. The top plate, the largest, is mounted against the ceiling. The gas spring is mounted on top of the pole. Attach the pole to the base plate, align the guide tracks, then pull the foot pedal up to 90 degrees out from the pole. Slide the gas spring onto the top of the pole. Push it all the way down to the red line. Slide the top plate on at the top. Align the guide tracks here as well. Loosen the quick coupling. Push the inner tube up so the top plate touches the ceiling. Turn the inner tube to the right while maintaining pressure against the ceiling. Tighten the quick coupling. Press down the foot pedal. When the red mark disappears, the pole is correctly installed. For accessories and more information, visit hepro.no.